Hi everybody, I'm just doing this video so you can see the swelling from the direct energy hits I've gotten this week on my ankle bone. And again, they are trying to burn my birthmark, my strawberry birthmark. But this is how they have my ankle bone looking from the direct energy hits, the ray guns, the active denial system, whatever they want to call it. This is absolutely ridiculous that I can't lay in my bed without being hit with Department of Defense's DO weapons and electromagnetic radiation. So who are you giving thanks to? Satan? Because you're definitely coming against God and his people.